Here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and let me show you how to activate Fingerprint on the following device. So as you can see now, you can smoothly unlock your phone just by swiping. It is not protected anyhow, and if you would like to add the fingerprint, just open the settings. Now find and pick passwords and security, and here you have to select fingerprint unlock. Now we have to set some backup pattern, pin code or the password. I will choose pattern. And now just draw your unlock pattern. Then redraw it to confirm and tap on confirm. And as you can see, here is your fingerprint sensor. So all you have to do is to touch the fingerprint sensor right here and keep tapping until it's fully done. So just put your finger on the sensor and lift after you feel a vibration. Once the fingerprint is full in blue, fully added, you will be informed. And as you can see, it has been done. You can also personalize this fingerprint, so you can rename it right here, the fingerprint 1 name, and for example, let me enter hard reset. Tap on confirmation mark and finally click on done. So that's it. From now on, you will be able to unlock your phone either with this backup pattern or smoothly by tapping here with your fingerprint. And this is it. This is how you can set up fingerprint in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.